Severe Weather Awareness Week continues today, and now we're focusing on lightning safety. So you've heard our weather team say it time and time again: when the thunder roars, go indoors. And here's why. Lightning can reach temperatures around 50,000 degrees. Lightning strikes about 25 million times in the U.S. per year, and the highest number of strikes happen in the summer.
Around the world every year, 24,000 people are killed by lightning and 250,000 people are injured. Lightning causes power outages. Lightning starts wildfires. Lightning delays baseball games and football games. So lightning is a really big hazard around the world. It's probably the most common weather hazard that threatens people's lives and threatens property that people experience each year.
The National Weather Service says lightning kills about 20 people in the U.S. every year. As we enter the spring storm season, News 2 is working to keep you and your family safe. Get valuable information on storm safety this Thursday in every newscast.